In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can back tap to take a screenshot on any iPhone. If you are having trouble to manually tap on the side volume and power buttons to take a screenshot, there is a new way you can just tap at the back of your iPhone to take the screenshot. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the accessibility option. Select on touch. On this page, navigate onto the last section of back tap. On double tap, mark on this option of screenshot. Whenever you double tap at the back of your iPhone, you will take a screenshot. All you need to do is to double tap in areas around your Apple logo. That's how easy it is to back tap to take a screenshot on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.